In this video, I am going to show you how to request a Lyft ride seamlessly. You will learn about selecting your ride type, confirming your location, and tracking your driver. 1. Open the Lyft app on your smartphone. 2. Allow the app to access your location or manually enter your pickup address. 3. Choose your ride type from the options available: Lyft, Lyft XL, Lux. 4. Confirm your pickup location and tap Request Lyft. 5. Wait for a driver to accept your request and track their arrival on the map. 6. Once your driver arrives, verify their details and get in the car. 7. Enjoy your ride and follow the navigation to your destination. 8. At the end of the ride, the app will automatically charge your payment method on file. 9. Rate your driver and provide feedback to help improve the service. These are the general steps to request a ride on Lyft effectively.